What's up guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll create a new augmented reality application called the AR greeting card, in which I'll show you how to detect multiple image targets at the same time in front of the camera. Now in this video, we'll just add the license key and import the image target databases inside a project. Okay, so I'll give this project a name of AR greeting card. After this, I'll click on create project. After creating this project, first I'll save the scene. So I'll click on file. I'll then click on save scene as. Inside the assets folder, I'll create a new folder. I'll name it data files. I'll open it. Inside data files, I'll create another folder. I'll name it scenes. I'll open the scenes folder and I'll give this scene a name of greeting card scene. Okay. After this, I'll hit save. After saving the scene, next I'll click on file, I'll then click on build settings and I'll switch the platform to Android, as I'll build and run this app on an Android smartphone. If you have an iOS device like an iPhone or an iPad, then you can select the iOS platform and after this you can click on switch platform. Okay, so with the Android platform selected, I'll click on switch platform. So the platform is switched to Android. After this, I'll click on player settings. Next, inside the XR settings option, I'll activate the Vuforia augmented reality support. After activating the Vuforia augmented reality support, next let's add the AR camera inside a scene. Okay, so I'll click on game objects. After this, I'll go in Vuforia and next I'll select the AR camera. After this, I'll click on the import button. So as you can see, the AR camera is added inside the hierarchy. After adding the AR camera, next let's add the license key for this AR camera. Okay, now I won't be creating a new license key for this AR greeting card project. Okay, but instead I'll use the license key which I've created for the AR1 project. Okay, so I'll open my browser and inside the browser, as you can see, I have directly opened the license key of my AR1 project. Okay, so I'll copy this license key. I'll open Unity. Next, with the AR camera selected, I'll click on open Vuforia configurations and I'll paste the license key over here. After pasting the license key, next I'll minimize Unity. And as you can see on my desktop, I have kept these two images. So both these images are a part of a birthday greeting card which I had received few years back. Okay, so I'll open it. So as you can see, the first image basically contains some roses. Okay, if we look at the second image, then this second image basically contains some text which is written in Marathi. Now guys, I live in Mumbai, which is basically the financial capital of India, and in Mumbai people generally speak in the Marathi language. And since I'm a Maharashtrian, so that's why I have a couple of birthday greeting cards which are written in Marathi. So after showing you the two images which I'll be uploading, I'll close the photo editor. Next, I'll open my browser. Okay, and inside the second tab, as you can see, I have opened the AR1 database. Okay, because for this AR greeting card project, I won't be creating a new database, but instead I'll use this AR1 database as it only contains a single image. So to add these two images as image targets, I'll click on add target. Next, I'll keep the single image option selected. I'll then click on the browse button. Next, I'll first select this card1 image. I'll click on open. I'll give this image a width of 6. After this, I'll click on the add button. So as you can see, the card1 image is added and it has a good augmented star rating of 4 stars. After this, I'll again click on the add button. I'll keep the single image option selected. I'll click on browse and I'll choose the card2 image. I'll give this a width of 6 as well. And next I'll click on add. So the card2 image, which basically has text written in Marathi, okay, has got a good augmented star rating of 5 stars. Okay, so next let's download these two images. Okay, so I'll select the card2 image. After this, I'll select the card1 image and I'll click on the download database button. And this time, since I have just selected these two images, then the card1 and the card2 images will get downloaded as databases, okay, and the AR1 IMG image won't be downloaded. So I'll click on the download database button. Next, I'll select the Unity editor. After this, I'll again click on the download button. So the AR1 database is downloaded inside my system. So I'll copy it on my desktop. After this, to import the AR1 database inside the AR greeting card project, I'll just double click on it. I'll then click on the import button, but before that, as you can see, the two images which are present inside this AR1 database is card1 and card2, okay. So I'll click on the import button. So guys, the AR1 database is imported inside our project, okay, and inside view for your configurations, as you can see, we have got this load AR1 database option, which basically means that the AR1 database is imported inside a project, okay. So guys, after importing the AR1 database, I'll end this video over here, and in the next video we will project a 3D model on top of our first image target.